Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about the differences between Germany and Austria when it comes to fruits and vegetables. Once again, there are big differences between German and Austrian German. In this video, we are going to talk about the various fruits and vegetables in German and Austrian German. It is safe to say that there are gonna be interesting differences between these two countries. Let's start with the word apricot. In Germany, most people will say Aprikose, which is similar to the English term. Austrians prefer the noun Marille. Another difference can be found for the word plum. In German it is Pflaume. In Austrian German you will come across the word Zwetschge. The next word we'd like to talk about is tomato. The German word is Tomate. In Austria many people will use Paradise. Additionally, the term Paradise tells you that these tomatoes are from Austria. The English word potato means Kartoffel in German and Erdäpfel in Austrian German. Erdäpfel are often eaten with the famous Wiener Schnitzel. Another word we are talking about today is horseradish. In Germany you will come across Meerrettich. Austrians often use the short word Kren. Cottage cheese can be translated as Quark in German and Topfen in Austrian German. Finally, let's take a look at a rather difficult word, namely chanturelle. Many Germans will call these mushrooms Pfifferlinge. In Austria, most people will say Eierschwammerl. Thanks a lot for watching, please subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.